It is November 19th, and I'm actually doing a final walkthrough on a buyer-assisted property in Naples, Florida, and I got my first phone call. Usually they're sooner. However, people that have vacant properties and vacant land are the ones primarily who start calling after the tax bills come out. So you get a proposed tax in September, October. You get the tax bill November 1st. So in Florida, taxes are in arrears, which means they're paid at the end of the year. So you get January 1st all the way to the end of the year, then you get the bill and they want you to pay the bill. So people are getting their tax bills and the tax bills are due, and they want to sell their property because now it just costs them money. They either have to get it mowed or pay home watch, or it's just vacant land sitting there costing money. So I had a lovely conversation with this man about his property, and it's in an area where there is a surplus of inventory, which means there's a lot for sale, and the prices are going down because there's a surplus, and homes will be selling cheaper than somebody would be able to build a home for. Had a lovely conversation about that, and he said to me, my tax bill says that the property's worth $27,000 or something to that effect. Now the property assessed value may say that. Is it true? Could be. Is it wrong? Could be. But what I will tell you is the first thing I said to him is your tax bill, the millage rate times what they feel that the assessed value is based on sales in proximity of similar property the whole prior year. So none of these sales that it's compared to were in 2025, they were in 2024. It makes a huge difference. So somebody might have paid that a year and a half ago. I don't know. In January of 2024, my life is different. I'm sure the real estate market was different. So whether it's a house or a condo or whatever, that's a real true fact. So if you got your tax bill, that's what's going on with that. The assessed value might not jive with what's going on in your neighborhood, depending on the neighborhood. Some neighborhoods are totally unaffected. Some of them are just on a little struggle bus. So if I can help you understand that, or if you're done paying tax bills and you want to liquidate property and learn what the inventory looks like and the best probable list price might be, give me a call. I'll, drop some knowledge on you and explain to you what's going on in your neck of the woods.